Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, well, first we're gonna address the elephant in the room. Yes, I have a new piercing. I got it about 2 weeks ago. It doesn't really hurt that much anymore, but yeah, so it is gonna kind of be hard to get it's a bug in here, the makeup around it, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then go ahead and subscribe. If you are subscribing, you're coming back to watch another video. Thank you. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys, well, actually we're just gonna be doing a simple makeup tutorial, a simple eyeshadow tutorial with my camera. We're gonna be doing like a simple eyeshadow tutorial, a springtime eyeshadow tutorial, because I cannot wait for spring to come. Because I look, listen, I'm not a winter girl. Even though my birthday is in the winter, I don't like the winter. I like the springtime because it's beautiful, flowers everywhere. The only thing I don't like is the bugs. But we're gonna get right into this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I'm gonna leave all my social media handles here, right here on the screen. Yeah, so after you've done all of that, then let's proceed to the rest of the video. To create this eyeshadow look, I'm going to use two different eyeshadow palettes. I wanted to use the Anastasia eyeshadow palettes, but you know, I'm going to give you guys a drugstore tutorial today. So we're going to use two eyeshadow palettes from ColourPop. This is the Cute AF Yes Please ColourPop eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this on the back. Just says Yes Please, and this is the front. And this is what it looks like once you open it. So warm tones. I really want to use that yellow today, so that's what that palette looks like. And then we're also going to go in with this ColourPop A Flutter eyeshadow palette. Looks like this on the back. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. Really pretty. So we're going to dive into, we're going to use both of these eyeshadow palettes today to create the look I'm going for. These palettes are, I don't remember the price, but I'll put the price on the screen right here. And then I will link them in the description box below so you can find them if you want to get these eyeshadow palettes. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking now and we're gonna go right into the video, or right into the eyeshadow. We're gonna get right into the eyeshadow. So I got y'all all up close and personal, and don't be judging my brows because I know they need to be waxed. But everything is closed right now, so don't judge me, okay? Thank you. All right, so we're gonna go into the Cute AF palette first, and we're gonna use the color, is this the color Chauffeur? So it's this brown here. I'm gonna use that color here first, and we're gonna put her in the crease, and I need a mirror. So we're gonna put this color in the crease. This is a skin tone color. It's really close to my skin complexion, so I'm just gonna use this to kind of set the base, set the stage for all the other eyeshadows. So I just want to blend that up into the crease. Wow. It's a really pretty skin tone shade for me. If you're about my color, this is a really pretty color to use as a first base transitional shade. All right, so once we have this color blended out on both of our eyes, okay, so next we're gonna go into, I'm gonna use the shade in the same palette. This is, let's see, Butter Cake. Yeah, this is the shade Butter Cake right here. And I'm going to blend that out in my crease. So this is Butter Cake. We're gonna blend Butter Cake in the crease. I actually want to go a little bit darker, so I'm thinking about going into the next palette. So once we've blended Butter Cake out pretty good, I'm gonna go into the next palette, which is the A Flutter palette, and we're gonna use Crisscross, which is this shade here, and we're gonna blend that on top of Butter Cake. It's about the same color, but I kind of think Crisscross a little bit darker. Let's see. It is just a tad bit darker. So we're just going to go and just add a little bit more depth into our eye by using Crisscross. Blended both of those colors out on my eye, And I want to make it the color a little bit darker in the crease. So to make it a little bit darker, I'm going to take this dark brown shade. This is the color Mischief. It's right here. And this is in the Cute AF palette. And then I'm going to just take this pencil brush and like barely tap it into my crease. Because I don't want it to become a brown eyeshadow look or whatever. I just want to add some brown in there to make it look a little bit darker. I'm just going to add just a tiny bit in the crease. And then I'm going to kind of blend that out a little bit. See, so it's not changing the color. It's just making it a little bit darker. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Make sure you're tapping off your, make sure you're tapping off the extra brown shade so that you don't get, so that like you tap off the extra color so that it doesn't take over your eyeshadow look. And then you're gonna kind of blend it out with this pencil brush. Next, I'm gonna go into this yellow shade here in the Cute AF palette, and this is the color French Kiss. I'm gonna take a flat brush, and then I'm gonna apply this on my lid. And I'm gonna kind of tap it on my lid like this. And I'm not gonna apply much of this yellow shade. The yellow shade is just gonna be a base for my actual lid shade. Now I'm kind of gonna blend it out into the pink shade on the edges. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. All right, so now that I blended the yellow out on my lids, I'm gonna kind of take this pink, these two pink shades I blended out, and kind of try to bring them to and blend them out over the yellow, like over my crease here. So as you can see, this one is kind of already blended out over the top. I'm gonna just kind of bring it over the yellow and kind of curve it around and just continue to blend it out into my crease. Hope y'all can see that I have my head kind of down like that. I'm not going to add any new eyeshadow on my brush. I'm just going to use the eyeshadow that was already on my brush and the eyeshadow that's on my lid and just bring it to the front like that. Yeah. Now I'm going to flip this brush that I used to apply the yellow over on the other side, and then I'm going to apply this color Chauffeur, yeah. And the A Flutter palette. This is an A Flutter palette, and it's this color here. It's kind of like a orangey type, yellow type, pink type shade. I don't really know. It's like it has a yellow undertone, but it's pinky also. And first I'm gonna spray my brush. I'm gonna spray it with this NYX primer spray. And I'm gonna apply that on top of the yellow. A lot more golden than I thought. I'm gonna go back into the Cute AF palette, and I'm gonna use the palette and use this color here. It's called GNO. And then I'm gonna apply that on top. I actually think I'm gonna switch brushes. Yeah, so I'm gonna, let's see. I'm gonna switch my brush over and get another flat brush simply because that one has way too much product on it. And then I'm gonna go into GNO on a fresh brush and apply it over the top to add some more of that pink, the pink tones back into the look, because that gold had completely taken over. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go back in with the pink shades and kind of like blend that back out again and basically just blend the entire look together. I'm gonna add just a little bit more product on my brush so that I can have the pink extending back over here like I had it before, because I don't want the shimmer shades to just come and take over. So I'm just going to do the same thing on my lid to this eye, and then I'm going to blend out the pink, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I'm finished blending out all of the shades on my lid. I'm going to add some lashes, finish my face, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. So I just went on camera to finish the rest of my face and to add some lipstick, you know, do my hair and everything and get all that together. I'm really loving my eyes today. They look really pretty and it's really like springtime. It's screaming like springtime. This foundation looks really natural. It's the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation. It's really just like a tinted moisturizer, but it's full coverage like a foundation, and it looks really, really natural. And it's supposed to expire next month, so I'm probably gonna be using it like every time I do my makeup now. But it looks really, really natural. It looks really good for spring, so I really would recommend that foundation for the springtime because, like, as you can see, it looks really, really natural and it's lightweight. Like, I don't feel like I'm wearing foundation. So I will definitely be repurchasing that once it expires next month. But yeah, so here's the finished look, you guys. Give you a close-up of my eyes and how they look with the lashes on. And again, if I have not already said it once, these lashes are from my lash collection, which will be launching soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so here's the finished look, you guys. Hope you liked the video, hope you liked the eyeshadow, and I will see you guys in my next video. And make sure you follow me on my social medias and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.